Okay, so you have a math problem like this. F of x equals 2 plus 1 over x. And if you have something like that, you know what that means. Horizontal asymptotes. So there's 3 steps to solving these problems. So you have step 1, which is factoring. Factor. Let's just divide this up. Okay. So let's say you have a question like this. 3x minus 2 over x squared plus plus 7 plus 12. Okay, we see this top part cannot be factored. Cannot be factored. Okay, so what we do now is we find something that can multiply to this that also adds up to this. So what adds up to 7? So okay, we got 3 and 4, and 3 and 4 also multiplies to 12. So what we do now is we go x plus 3x plus 4. And just like that, step 1 is complete. Step 1 complete. Okay, step 2. Step 2, find vertical asymptotes. Okay, so let's say that you have this. Oh no, let's just use this. So you have x plus 3 and x plus 4. So what would you do to find the vertical asymptote? So all you do is basically you take the same number but you make it the opposite sign. So if it's positive, you make it negative. So what you want to do is bring it back down to 0. So if it's positive 1,000, you would make it a negative 1,000, because that's what would bring it down to 0, or make it equal to 0. So what you do now is -3 and -4. And then all you do now is just vertical asymptotes are -3 and -4. And like that, step 2 is complete. You have found your vertical asymptotes. Okay, now step 3. Find horizontal asymptotes. Okay, so what you would do here is, let's say you have 3x minus 2 over, let's just say you have this question, over x squared plus 7 plus 12. Okay, so the degree of the top part of this expression would be 1, because above the x, there's nothing there, so you would just put degree is 1. And then, well, that's the highest degree of the top part. And then the highest degree of the bottom part would be 2, because this one doesn't have anything and this one doesn't have anything, but this one does, and it has a 2, so that's the highest degree of the bottom. Highest degree 2. And then what you would do is you would use the rules of that determine like how the rules they give you are the ones that you're gonna use to find out the horizontal asymptotes, such as like the rules like 1 is less than 2, those type of rules. And then the vertical asymptotes must be undefined to be correct, because if they're defined, that's you're doing something wrong. And then yeah, that's it.